Before you download Tread, stop for a moment because most people assume all fitness apps are the same. The surprising truth is that Tread offers highly structured workout programs, nutrition guidance, and progress tracking, but it's not for everyone. Tread is a fitness app designed to help users lose fat, build muscle, and improve overall fitness through personalized workouts and meal plans. You won't believe what happens next when users realize the app adapts routines based on progress and feedback, making it feel like having a personal trainer in your pocket. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think Tread is just a library of exercises. In reality, it combines structured weekly programs with daily tracking, rest days, and progression adjustments. The app encourages accountability with reminders and detailed tracking of weight, reps, and calories. Getting started is straightforward. Download the app, create a profile, set your fitness goals, and complete the initial assessment. Tread then generates a personalized plan, including workouts, nutrition guidance, and recovery tips. Each session includes video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions so beginners can follow along safely. The upside is structure and guidance. For those who struggle to create workouts or stick to a diet, Tread provides a clear roadmap. Progression algorithms adjust difficulty as you improve, keeping workouts challenging without overwhelming you. The downside is cost and intensity. While the app offers some free content, full access requires a subscription, and programs can be intense for beginners or users with limited equipment. Nutrition guidance may also require meal prep commitment, which can be a barrier for busy users. The surprising truth about Tread is that it's highly effective for motivated individuals who want a structured fitness journey with clear guidance, but casual users or those looking for completely free content may find it restrictive. If this honest review helped you understand Tread, subscribe for more fitness app reviews and tips to achieve your health goals.